Good morning, grade 2 kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good, you all are fine. Class, this is the part 4 of the chapter 9. You can say that this is the last part, okay? So, in this, first of all, we will do the add. We will do a add based on rupees and paise, okay? So, here 5 and 5, 10. You know that very well. So, we write 10 like this. So, we will write 0 here and 1 we will give carry. Okay. So, 5 or 1, 6, 6 or 2, 8. Okay. And now here 6 and 6, 12. So, 2 of 12 we will write downside and 1 carry. Okay. Now 7 and 7, 14, 14 or 1, 15. So 5 of 15 we will write here and 1 will be carry again. 5 and 1, 6, 6 or 2, 8. So what is our answer now? 852 rupees and 80 paise. I hope class this is clear in your mind. Now we have to do the subtraction related to rupees and paise. Okay. So here is given 481 rupees, 326 rupees. 481 rupees we have to subtract from 481 rupees. We have to subtract 326 rupees. Okay. So let's do it. Is it possible to subtract 6 by 1? No. Right. So we will 1 borrow and it will become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. As we take borrow, right? As we take 1 or you can say that borrow 1. So here 8 will remain 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. And 4 minus 3, 1. Alright. So here our answer will be 155 rupees. Okay. Now here, is it possible to subtract 0 by 5? Yes. In this 5 will come as it is. Okay. You know the property, right? When we subtract 0 or add 0, right, with a number, then the number will come itself. Okay. So 5 will come itself. Now 9 minus 6. So after 6 you have to do the forward counting till 9 will come. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. What we have done here? After 6, because we have to subtract 6 from 9. So after 6 we have to forward counting to after 6, 7, 8, 9. Till the 9 will come, right? So 7, 8, 9. Any 1, 2, 3. So 3 will come here. Okay. So 35 paise. Okay. Now here we have to subtract with rupees and paise together. Okay. So here is given 425 rupees 60 paise. And here is also 344 rupees and 25 paise. So we have to subtract 344 rupees 25 paise by 425 rupees 60 paise. Okay. So let's subtract it. Is it possible to subtract 5 by 0? No. So what we have to do? We have to 1 borrow. Now we will 1 borrow. So it will become 10. Now what will become it? 10. So now it will become 10. Alright. Now 10 minus 5, 5. How? After 5 you have to do the forward counting till 10 will come. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will come here. Okay. As 6 gave 1. So here 5 will remain, right? So 5 minus 2, what will come? So you have to again do the forward counting after 5 till after 2, right? Because we have to subtract 2. We do the forward counting by that number which we have to subtract. Okay, so here we have to subtract 2, so we will do the forward counting after 2. So after 2, 3, 4, 5 till the bigger number will come, right? Big number will come. So after 2, 3, 4, 5. So in how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 3 we will write here. Okay. Now 5 minus 4, 1. After 4 you have to count. After 4, 5. So in 1 counting 1. Okay. Is it possible to subtract 4 by 2? No. So then what we have to do? We have to 1 borrow. So it will become 12. 12 minus 4. After 4 you have to do the forward counting till 12 will come. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In how many times 12 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Now as 4 gave 1, so here 3 will remain. Okay. So 3 minus 3, 0 will come. Okay class, I hope this is clear in your mind. Now rupees and paise, again we have to subtract. Is it possible to subtract 5 from 0? No. So what we have to do? We have to 1 borrow. So we will 1 borrow. Now 0 become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. As 1 already gave, so here 0 will remain. So 10 minus 5, 0 means 0. 0 will come, right? When we subtract 0 by 0, then 0 will come. 5 minus 4, 1. And here, is it possible to subtract 4 from 0? No. So we have to 1 borrow again. So here 10. 10 minus 4. After 4 you have to do the forward counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 here. Okay. As 4 already gave 1, so here 3 will remain. So 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So 61 rupees, 5 paise. Next, what is given here? 387 rupees, 65 paise. We have to subtract 298 rupees, 35 paise. Okay. So 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 3. After 3 you have to do the forward counting till 6 will come. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So in how many times? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. Okay. Next, is it possible to subtract 8 from 7? No. So what we have to do? We have to 1 borrow. So from 8 we will 1 borrow. When we borrow 1, then 17, it will become 17. So now 17 minus 8, again we have to do the forward counting. After 8, because we have to subtract 8. So after 8 we will do. Okay. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because till 17 will come, right? So in how many times 17 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 we will write here. Okay. After that, what will remain here? Only 7 will remain here, as 8 gave already 1, right? 7 will remain here. Now, is it possible to subtract 9 by 7? No. So what we have to do? Again, we have to 1 borrow. When we take 1, or we can say that when we borrow 1, it will become 17. Okay, 17. Now, 17 minus 9, is it possible to subtract? Yes. Then after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because till 17 will come, we have to do the forward counting, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will come here. Okay. Now as 3 already gave 1, so what will remain here? 2 minus 2. What will remain here? 2. Okay. So now 2 minus 2, 0. So I hope class this is clear in your mind properly. Okay. So class, you have to do the rest of the other questions in your book. Okay. Okay class, bye bye, take care. Stay happy and safe. Okay, bye bye.